Hi and welcome to ICCT Online Learning. And today, pag-aaralan natin ang software suite dito sa Office Application Software. Our objective for today's video is to differentiate the use of software applications and recognize the types of software suites. Yung third, yung discover the different office tools that is being used in business today will be discussed on the next video. So, what is a software suite? Yan. Suite ang basa dyan. So, a software suite is a collection of computer programs. Para siyang bilao na may iba't ibang prutas ang nasa loob nito or iba't ibang pagkain ang nasa loob pero iisa pagkain. Pwedeng may pwedeng may apple, pwedeng may orange, iba-iba. Ganun din sa software suite. Isang programs, isang package, pero may iba't ibang program na nandun nakapaloob. So, usually, application software or programming software of related functionality, often sharing a similar user interface and the ability to easily exchange data with each other. So, bakit natin kinakailangan ng software suite? Kasi may advantage and disadvantage yan. Let's say, dun muna sa advantage, it is less costly than buying individual package. Mas makakamura ka. Second is identical or very similar GUI or graphical user interface. Kahit na iba't ibang program ang nandoon, magkakapareho sila, similar sila, kaya nga identical. Then, designed to interface with each other. So, meron silang synchronization, meron silang yung mga data dito, pwedeng magsama-sama, pwede sila mag-transfer ng data seamlessly. Yun. And helps the learning curve of the user dahil nga naman identical user interface, same data, kaya yung pag-aaral nito ay madali na lamang. Pero merong disadvantage. One is, some purchased features may never be used by the user. So dahil napakaraming nandun na program, hindi naman lahat pwede mong gamitin or magagamit. Pwedeng dun sa isang bilao ng mga pagkain, yung iba dun ayaw mong kainin kasi hindi mo gusto. Pero yung iba, paborito mo. Second, may take a significant amount of disk space. Dahil nga sa napakaraming program ang nagsama-sama dyan, pwedeng malaking disk space ang kainin dun sa iyong computer or dun sa iyong device. And likely to require significant effort for staff. So marami yan. Maraming kinakailangang i-prepare dahil napakaraming program. Next is the types of software suites. So meron tayong 4 na types of software suite. One is Office Suite, then we have the Internet Suite, Graphics Suite, and finally the Integrated Development Environment Suites. So what is Office Suite? It is a collection of bundled productivity software intended to be used by knowledge workers. The components are generally distributed together, have a consistent user interface, and usually can interact with each other. One example of an Office suite is Microsoft Office. So familiar kayo sa Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So tatlong magkakaibang program, samahan na natin ang Outlook, pero iisa lang yung bundle nila. Tawag sa kanila is Microsoft Office. Next is an Internet Suite. It is an internet-related software suite. So usually include a web browser, email client, downloadable manager, HTML editor, and an IRC client. So ito yung platform na naa-access mo lang through online. One example is the Google Suite. Sa Google Suite, meron kang Gmail for email, meron kang Gdocs for document, meron kang G Suite, and so forth. Third is the Graphics Suite. It is a software suite for graphics work and that are distributed together. The programs are usually able to interact with each other on a higher level than the operating system would normally allow. Some examples or notable examples of a graphics suite is Adobe Graphics Suite. So, yun yung Photoshop. Andyan ang Adobe Effects, and so on and so forth. Nandyan din ang CorelDRAW Graphics Suite and Microsoft Expression Studio. And the last but not the least, the Integrated Development Environment Suite. So it is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. So kung may nangangarap kang maging programmer, mangangailangan ka ng IDE suite. One notable example is the Visual Studio. With Visual Studio, pwede kang gumawa ng program. Meron kang program para sa Fox Pro, meron kang para sa Visual Basic, meron kang sa Visual C#, meron kang pang mobile development, kasama lahat sa Visual Studio. So it is an IDE normally consists of at least source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Some IDEs, and examples are NetBeans, Eclipse, and Visual Studio. So those are the software sheet. Again, software suite is a collection of computer programs. Iisang programs, iisang name, iisang brand, pero under it are different programs or software or application. So sa pag-aaral natin ng Office software application, iisa-isahin natin ang mga possible application na pwede mong gamitin sa work, sa education, at for personal consumption mo. This is Jericho, and good day.